Now, moving upwards in the pathway taken by water, let's focus on the role of the xylem vessels and see how water is transported through the stem. Xylem vessels are hollow, tube-like structures made from dead cells, and they're strengthened by lignin, which gives them rigidity and structural support. You'll find these vessels in the roots, stems, and leaves of plants. The job is to transport water and dissolved minerals upwards, from the roots to the rest of the plant, using a process called capillary action. This upward movement is helped by adhesive forces between the water molecules and the walls of the xylem vessels. In the stem, the xylem continues this journey, carrying water towards the leaves. This process is known as conduction, and it's essential for moving nutrients, keeping cells firm and turgid, and supplying the water needed for photosynthesis in the leaves. Now, if we look at the diagram of stem transportation, we can see how the vascular tissues are arranged. The stem xylem is located towards the inner side, and it's responsible for transporting water and minerals upwards, shown here by the blue arrows. Next to it, we have the cambium, a thin layer of meristematic tissue between the xylem and phloem. This layer is responsible for secondary growth, meaning it increases the thickness of the stem. Finally, on the outer side, we have the stem phloem, which transports organic nutrients, mainly sugars produced in photosynthesis. These nutrients can move in both directions, so, the xylem is the plant's water highway going up, and the phloem is its food delivery system going in both directions, and together, they keep the plant alive and functioning.